Hello guys, you're welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic Skincare. If today is your first time coming here, I say a very big welcome to you. Since some while now we've not dropped video because we'll be working on our new store. We bless God, we're done with all that. So now trust me, I got a lot of content for you now. A quick one, I just want to show you this powder. A lot of you you be hearing about powders. When I call powders, they marvel. Do you know the reason? Some of them mock themselves because they know nothing about powder. They just believe skincare is pour this to pour that, you get what you want. No, it's beyond that. Even those in the US, they be thinking they know all. They will mock joke, crack joke at you. But I see them like clowns because you can't be in the US, UK, Canada. I mean, generally in the Western world, and you don't know about powders. It amazes me. Like it get me confused. All right, so I just want to tell you about this powder. You must be hearing about thiamidol. When I mean thiamidol, let me spell for you. thiamidol, thiamidol. All right, you'll be hearing about that powder. Now, let me tell you about the powder. In as much it's very expensive, I must start with that. But this powder is a powder that I believe when they say powders are 99%, this powder is 99%. And not just 99%, it does what it said it does. In the sense that they say a perfect pigmentation, you want to get it clear, a perfect pigmentation. These are the powders. This powder, however, this powder is stronger than hydroquinone and is stronger than glutathione and is stronger than alpha butane and is stronger than black magic powder and is stronger than also white powder. Thiamidol, you can Google it. All these, I just want you to Google them. When you Google this powder, you will see that this powder is powder that you can use to clear your pigmentations in 1 week. All right, and it's very strong. It's been stated in there. You will see it's very strong. No matter how dark, unless you don't want to take off your melanin, you don't want to remove the color from your body. But if you want to remove color from your powder, if you want to remove color from your body, this is what you need. These are the powders that you can use to remove pigmentation from your skin. When I mean any type of pigmentation on your skin, these are the powders. Okay, 99%. I so believe on this powder because this is what I've been using. All right, and let me tell you some benefit, no side effect. Like some other powders that because they are strong, there's always side effect. Like hydroquinone people always scared of hydroquinone. This one is stronger than hydroquinone, but yet no side effect. But always have a reason to use it, not because I said it's strong so you want to use it. That is the most of us do. All right, don't say because they tell you buy a product you just jump at it. Always have a reason why you want to use it. And in as much is of the high side, we have them in small quantity. Let me show you. I just want to show you. We have them in smaller quantity. All right, so look at them, and we have them in tons of drums. All right, we have thiamidol in tons of drums. You want to do your shower gel, you want to do your body wash, you want to do your soap, your black soap, your whitening black soap, or you want to make your oils, you want to make your face cream, you want to make your body lotion, your body cream. In as much you want to do a whitening product, these are powders you need. We have them in large quantity and we have them in small quantity as well. We have them in 1 kg, we have them in 250 kg, 500 kg, we have them in kgs, we have them in grams as well also. Okay, We have them in 50 grams, we have them in 100 grams as well. These powders are the powders I will always vouch for you. We have different kinds of powders that you need to make your business go AY. Like, in as much to the regular powders, we have them, all of them. If you want original 99% powders, contact us, okay? Yes, Austin Global, we are in here for you. Don't forget our website is up. Just search for www.austinglobal